Guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Michael back away. Thank you, Michael. And Michael, say hi to everybody.
Hey, everybody.
Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy. This is my little baby kitchen, and one of my babies is running around there. Ginger, what's up? What you want, Ginger? Oh, want a little bit of a leftover? Hold on, okay. And where's Teddy? And Teddy is somewhere around in the living room. But anyways, today, right now, I want to make some bean and avocado quesadillas. Now, in order for this to work, I want to show you guys this recipe.
All right.
Somebody taught me. You put some
avocado and
cheese.
bean quesadillas?
Yes, avocado and bean quesadillas.
That sounds good.
No meat.
No meat.
So these are 4 flour tortillas.
Wait, so would this be a vegetarian recipe?
It's a vegetarian recipe.
Or a vegan recipe?
Whatever you want to call it. Vegetarian,
I think they're kind of like the same.
So what I'm going to do, this is a can of refried beans that I bought. If you can put the camera, Michael.
Refried beans.
So I took it out of the other can and I put it in that bowl and I just put a little bit of salt, tasted it to salt because it had like no seasoning. And no, I didn't season. I just put salt.
Okay.
And that green leaf, that's cilantro. I took a little bunch of cilantro from my fridge. I chopped it.
Oh, look at that avocado.
And I put it in there. And this is 2 baby avocados that I had.
That's fresh.
So, yeah, exactly. So
you can tell. How's it taste?
So I'm going to put a little bit of salt.
Salt it up, salt it up.
Like that. Okay, Michael, back out because this is getting too hot. I'm just...
Oh, what kind of oil is that?
Corn oil.
Oh, okay. I think I asked that already.
Corn oil, exactly.
All right.
So let me put... So what I'm going to do, like I said, you saw them 2 tortas there, right?
Mozzarella cheese.
So, okay, excuse me, Michael. I am going to get my smasher because I don't like to work without my smasher.
That's right.
And then these 2 tortas...
What is step 1?
That was so dumb of me, you know. I should have just like put it on one.
Oh, no, go ahead.
No.
Merge together.
They gotta be like this. I'm gonna lower it. Okay?
All right, what is it on?
But they gotta be like that, like on 3. We're gonna stay.
3, everyone.
We're gonna stay with that because it's gonna like, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna brown real fast. And then the other 2, they're right here. What we're gonna do is, guys, we're gonna take a little bit of avocado.
All right.
Right?
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. A little bit of avocado. We're going to put in each torta, you know, your destined avocado. And those black spots is because the avocado starts getting dark as soon as you cut it and mash it. And there were some spots that the avocado was getting more ripe. But that doesn't mean anything. Just, you know, for those that get grossed out. And they're like, oh, did you see those brown spots? Oh, it's all good. Trust me, look.
Really? Because I think it looks good.
That's just a liquor. And then I'm going to wipe this knife. We're going to use the same knife because it's for the same tortas that we're going to be making.
All right.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're melting that first?
Yeah, I have to. So what I'm doing is, you see, I'm going to brown it on that side. I just put the thing up. And then, look, we're going to put bean on top of that. Yeah, the refried beans, the black beans. We're going to put a little bit like that on the top. Not a lot because you don't want to, like, savor it. And, you know what I'm saying? Like,
oh, I see what you're doing.
Do you?
You're cooking both cheese, the quesadilla, so you can take both halves and put one on one half and one on the other.
Oh.
Did I get it right?
I think so. Yeah.
All right.
Okay. So we're going to... Oh, we haven't cooked yet. So what I'm going to do, let's put the fire up so it can cook fast. Right, Michael?
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to brown it on both. And then after it's brown on both, you'll see. I'll take it out, but you stay with me. Let me just pick this up a little bit here. That's
stay right here, stay right here.
And I'm going to do the same thing for me with corn tortas to see what happens. Right now, let me just lick the spoon of the avocado. I mean, what's wrong with that?
Nothing wrong.
I mean, you know what I'm saying? I'd rather lick it and eat it than throw it out. Because, okay, Michael.
I like that smell.
Excuse me there for a second.
Okay, so what now?
I think we're browning now. No, not yet. Wow. That's weird, right? Because it's not like, oh, I had it on low. That's why. Okay, so we just put it up. There you go. You hear that, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So we don't want it like, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm still going to brown each side. So it doesn't matter. So what I wanted was like the cheese. Or this to start, you know, like cooking. See? It looks like it's starting to cook now. Yes or no, Mike?
Yeah, after like 20 seconds.
Well, yep. So let's count. You want to count, Michael? So anyway, I want to know today is Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's to everybody out there. Whoever's buying flowers or getting that bottle of wine for your respective wives or girlfriends, or getting them that beautiful perfume that they wanted, that beautiful bag. Same thing for women out there. You know, just because it's Valentine's Day doesn't mean that you don't get anything for your other half. You can do the same thing. You know, it goes both ways, the handle.
Oh, yeah.
What can I say? So I'm just making
the handle?
this, I don't know yet. Yeah, like the handle, like it goes both ways.
Oh, the lever.
Like the door goes both ways.
Yeah,
you know?
the rotating door.
There's a lot of women that, oh, he's the man. Well, it doesn't matter. I think that is something that you keep.
Oh, that looks good.
I know. Excuse me. Let me put this, let's put this over here.
Okay.
Okay, oh, sorry. Oh, I almost dropped that, huh, Mike?
Oh, that's
Let
okay.
me go like that a little bit.
All right.
And then what we're going to do here, this is very hot.
So what happens here?
We got to open it.
This is science, guys.
Okay. Yeah.
Education here. Wow.
Now,
look at that stringy cheese
you put
pole.
one there.
Oh.
And the other one, you put it on the other side.
Wow.
And now, what you're going to do is...
Fry it up, fry it up.
We're going to go back in again.
Is that really frying or is that searing?
Well,
why do you call it searing when it's meat?
Searing, because searing is when it's very hot and you just want those lines when you're going to finish the meat in the oven. You sear it.
Oh, okay.
If you want like that barbecue, not barbecue, kind of like that grill look with the lines. You see, like this. You see?
Yeah.
So anyway, let's put
oh,
this
look at that
on
little
the top.
cheese over there. Can I have that little cheese?
Exactly. So that's what you do here. Here, Michael. Here, Michael.
Oh,
Michael. So
almost raw.
How was that? That looked nice, right?
It was really
and then
good.
we're gonna do the other one. I think that one I'm gonna cut it for Dad. Can I get Dad's plate? Hold on a second.
Of course you can.
Oh, I don't have his plate. His plate's dirty. But it's okay. We'll put another plate there for him, right? You know how we do it, right, Mike?
That's right.
That's right. Mike was like, yes, Mom. Oh, I almost did the same thing again. I had it like, okay, so you see this oil? This is corn oil. The only reason why it's in here because I don't like using the whole gallon, so I put it in these bottles, and it has the lid and everything. And that way I can use it directly from here without having to bring. So what I did was I put not even a quarter of it, like around it. Because you want this to get brown bad at the same time. You want it to, like, you know what I'm saying, create a really nice color. Because that's what's going to make your bean and avocado quesadilla.
Oh, yeah.
Now, you tell me how that looks. I know it looks, from over here, from when I'm standing. Let me see the bottom of it. Excuse me. Yep, I just want to leave it like one more second. And it's taken out, but it is done. It's for my husband, this one. The first one is always for my husband. Oh, I made him breakfast this morning. I made him pancakes. Right, Mike?
Yeah.
I made him sausages.
Oh, yeah.
I made him egg, bacon.
Everybody, not just Dad.
Café con leche, everybody.
Delicious.
Later on, they're going to tell you what they got me. Okay, guys?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So you guys can tell our followers. Look at that. So the only reason I'm doing this, it looks like I'm overcooking it, but I'm not. And the only reason I'm doing this is because my husband likes it like that. He doesn't like things like knocked off all the way, you know? So here we go. So we put a little bit more. So
can you bring that one over here?
I know, and wrap everything up.
Oh, yeah.
What I am going to do, I'm going to put the other one in there.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And then let's put this on top.
Beautiful.
We're going to lower this like on two. Excuse me. So we're going to come over here, and this is how you make, guys, bean. This is black bean, refried black bean and avocado quesadilla. I'm going to cut it. So you guys can see with my pizza cutter, of course. I don't want to, like, take the pieces apart so you guys can see.
Let me see.
Hold on. Oh, look at me. I gotta make me some, like, with my corn thing, you know?
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful.
Isn't it? And here is my like bean and avocado tortilla. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go, get back to your loved ones, see what you're getting or not getting in this beautiful day. And with that, I'm going to tell you also not to forget to subscribe to our channel. And also press the notification button so you can get all these videos, spontaneous videos that we pop here and there, where there's food compilation or a little video like this one, you know. And follow us on Instagram and on Twitter, and like us on Facebook. And then from here, I'm going to have Michael take it. Roll it on, Michael, and I love you all.
Check out our Pinterest, our Patreon. Donate $1. Don't donate $1. Check out Reddit. Everything, guys. We're everywhere. We're on Twitter. You said Twitter, didn't you?
I said Twitter, and I said everything. We love you guys.
All right.
And you know what to do.
We do. Happy Valentine's Day.
Love each other. Be nice. And remember, don't drink and drive. God bless.